Hi, welcome back to Educator.com's AP Music Theory course. Today's lesson is on triad inversions. So the objectives for today's lesson are to first be able to build triads in first and second inversion, and then we're going to look at using the correct figured bass labeling for these inverted chords. Okay, first let's derive some first inversion triads. Let's start with a root position chord like the ones we've been working with up till now. So I'm just going to write a C major chord here. And when we talk about inversions, what we are concerned with is what note is in the bass voice of the chord. So here we have what we call root position triad, because the root of the chord, the C, which makes it a C major chord, is the lowest voice in the chord. So if we were to invert this chord, which means to shift the disposition of the notes, first we could move this C up to the highest voice, which results in the E, the third of the chord, being the lowest voice in the triad. And this is in fact what we mean when we say first inversion. So in a first inversion chord, the third is the lowest voice. Of course, the voices above that can be in any arrangement. As long as we keep this E in the bass, could have put the C here and the G here. Of course, there's a very wide spacing, but technically this is still first inversion. Let's do one more example with a different kind of chord. How about a minor chord? So I'll start with F minor, root position. And again, we'll invert this by making sure the A flat is the lowest voice and the C and the F above. So here is first inversion. For F minor.